Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default apps on your Android device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Apps or Applications, depending on your phone model. Next, tap Default Apps or choose Default Apps. Here, you'll see categories such as Browser, Phone, Messages, Home App, and Digital Assistant. Tap the category you want to change, then select your preferred app from the list of installed apps. If the app you want doesn't appear, make sure it's already installed on your device. Once you've selected a new default app, your Android device will automatically use it whenever you open supported links, make phone calls, send messages, or perform other related actions. And that's it, you've successfully changed the default apps on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.